I need to go. What's your name, friend?
We're both wearing Ninja Turtle shirts. Anyways, what the uck is up, YouTube? You mother uckers.
Welcome back. I wish I can come up with a rhyme.
Crack.
I'm out of time.
Okay, there you go, mother uckers doing it real.
Yeah.
Yo, check it out. We about to check out the new Oddworld. It's been a long ass time since Oddworld.
Let's see, the last revamped, remade version came out, was it like around, what, 2015, 2016?
Oh yeah,
something like
the
that?
remake with the better graphics. And then before that, it was that outlaw dude, the cowboy.
Yeah.
And before that
was with the little guy
and the big head
on the first Xbox.
I remember that.
And before that was Abe's Exodus, and before that was Abe's Odyssey.
Wait, so this is for both Xbox and PlayStation, is it? Or is it only PlayStation?
Oddworld's only PlayStation now.
Yeah,
again,
because that Oddworld game used to be on Xbox.
Yeah.
So like the
stranger and the little guy were on Xbox. But
yeah,
they back
home. They back home.
I've been waiting for this this Soulstorm for quite some time now. I was not expecting them to make an announcement for the PlayStation 5.
Mother uckers for real.
So
let's get into it. And then after this, we about to get into some Ratchet and Clank. Motherfuckers doing the blank. Yo, your chicken is stank. What was you gonna say?
I can't wait. I'm geeking.
Let's get it!
That's right.
You are no longer a slave, Abe.
Soulstorm. Now,
They
this
believed, trusted, followed, and it led them here.
This is a remade version of Abe's Exodus.
Okay.
You may have escaped with the murderous blades, for the fate of your entire people is up to you.
Holy shit! Oh my
Once
god!
again, man, they just...
Yo, it looks so good!
Jesus.
Oh,
shit! Oh my god!
Yo, check the lighting, man!
Wow! This is some serious shit!
Yeah, they are for real in danger. Them boys on fire.
You must find your full voice.
Yo, he's about to snip the things.
Oh my god!
It's
Oh
for
my god, it's coming for
PS4.
PS4 and PS5. I'm getting on both consoles anyway. Oh my goodness.
That was hot.
In case y'all didn't know, Oddworld has been a particular game that's been involved in my life ever since I was the age of 6, way back in the 1996, in my very first grade, being played by our older brother.
Big Brother Law.
He was awesome.
And I was the little brother that just watched his big brothers play the game all day. And I love watching them and pointing out, hey, that guy's right there. He's right there. So I'm going to thoroughly enjoy watching this nigga play the game. I might cop him and play it myself because that looks sick.
But it's just, once again, it's just like, you're just not surprised at the amount of, like, how should I say, like, gravitas and the amount of detail that is in such a game as Oddworld. Now, mind you, these are the same. This is the same developer or same original developer from the original games, and especially back in the PlayStation 1 era, like you know, that was a level of detail or games that I personally have never seen before, and they just keep on better and better with each freaking release.
Damn.
Now, I hope in this game you still get to possess your farts. I hope you do.
Or become those lobster monsters.
The scare, the scraps.
And then the bad guy.
Kill. What I'm hoping for is more mystical powers in this game. Yeah. I really hope so. Like, as you can clearly saw in the trailer, that he's talking to this shaman female. I've never seen a female Madaki before.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So hopefully, she's like a new character that's going to introduce Abe to some newer things that we haven't seen before in previous games. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just talking straight out of my ass, but I just can't wait.
Damn.
I can't wait, man.
And now we're going to get into another game that, as a youngster, I would just watch my older brothers play. Ratchet and Clank!
Okay, follow me.
Alright, let's get it. Uh-oh, volume.
Insomniac Games.
Okay.
Little choco. Big eyes.
Yo, I can't wait to play these joints.
Man, look at that.
In 120 frames per second. 4K. I think they go up to 8K.
You all right back there? No way.
He went back in time?
It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one another.
Oh.
If we cannot get to...
Damn, Clank is shiny as hell.
Right. The ship. I mean, we can't be that
Ratchet's
far.
furry as hell.
They have found us, Ratchet. How much steer this
Okay,
thing?
gameplay.
Ask nicely. Slow down, please. That's not listening.
Damn. Whoa. Whoa. What are we doing?
Dimensions
What are we doing?
considerably.
What are we doing? This is sick.
Holy shit.
How bad is it? Well, it is
Now we
certainly
on
not
Pandora.
good. Great.
This is crazy.
Oh my god.
Beats me.
Yo, they just left that. Yo.
And then you just right into a boss
Yo.
battle.
Yo.
Is this a boss battle? Seriously?
Son. Oh no.
Oh shit.
Oh, they're separated on different dimensions.
Ratchet. We are too late. Ratchet?
Ooh. Different dimension Ratchet.
Okay, so we just got a preview of Doctor Strange Into the Multiverse Madness, directed by Sam Raimi himself. That was nuts. That was nuts. It was fast. It was action. It was literally... What these guys, like, PlayStation is bringing it this generation.
Smacking
They
heads
are
in their
bringing
faces with these joints, man.
They are bringing it. They are bringing it. My people.
Yo.
They are bringing it.
What are you even talking about right now?
Wow.
Come on, man.
Wow.
That was crazy.
And that's exactly what I've one of the things that I've, from what it looks like, is what I really want. Is just like, yo, you're coming out with next gen everything, next gen technology, next gen graphics, and everything. Up the ante on the fun factor of gameplay. Get back to basics. You see what I'm saying?
Man.
Get me excited, almost like a kid again, just to like wanting to play games.
Like,
you know what I'm saying?
That's the thing. Graphics are dope. I love graphics. However, the game gotta be more than graphics for me. And these games are more than just pretty games.
Yeah.
You see that gameplay, man? You see that goddamn gameplay? It ain't... They ain't saying calling them gameplay trailers and they're just cinematic trailers. No, these are actual gameplay. You know what I'm saying? Come on, man. Come on.
You goddamn right.
What you even... That was crazy.
I can't wait. I want to see more, man.
Yo.
Oh, man.
Peace, love, and chicken grease to all of you niggas.
Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You already know what the dealio is. Every other YouTuber always says it.
Stay tuned for the next episode.
Since you know that, let's see who you are. So come on, show your stuff. So come on, show your stuff.